Hey, Vic Strizius here, and I'm here to tell you about Insta Traffic Mastery. This is our open enrollment to everybody who is inside of the 4%. And so in the next few minutes here, I will tell you important details about Insta Traffic Mastery and exactly what this will do for you, for your business. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So here's why you need this, okay? So if you don't own Insta Traffic Mastery yet, here are the four main reasons that you might need to get this for yourself today. Number one is the future of social media and Instagram, right? So you take a look at what Facebook is doing, what Instagram is going, where Instagram is going, the rapid growth that they're experiencing right now. This is a cannot miss opportunity for any entrepreneur. And everybody knows that, right? So if you take a look at what traditional big brands in the world are doing, the Nikes, the Adidases of the world, so they're taking their multi-million-dollar marketing budgets away from TV, right? And they're bringing it to social media, specifically Instagram. Why? Because this is where the puck is going. And so you cannot ignore this train. Number two is engagement, influence, and celebrity, right? So the internet is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. You will either dominate or you will compete. And so Instagram, this platform, allows you to step in to this platform, and by doing the right thing, the certain things in a certain way that, like this course is going to teach you, you will be very influential. You will be able to become a celebrity in your space, right? And you'll be able to build very, very high engagement without necessarily putting yourself out there in the first place. So if you don't want to brand yourself, if you don't want to do a lot of videos, if you are the shy personality, this is a perfect platform for you to get started and start building that tonight, okay? Now, traffic generation and monetization is critically important. Instagram is a perfect vehicle to drive traffic to any product, whether it's informational product, whether it's e-commerce, whether it's services, you name it. There is virtually no limit, as long as obviously it's legal. But there is virtually no limit to what kind of industries or what kind of products you can drive traffic to utilizing the Instagram strategy, okay, for traffic generation. Now, reason number four is become a powerful marketer. Check this out. What if, okay, by learning a skill, not only can you grow your business, your online business, if that's what you're doing, right? But what if you can go to a speaker, an author, you can go to a local mom and pop shop owner, right? And you can say, hey, can I market for you? Because you have invested in yourself, you become a very, very powerful promoter. You see what I'm saying? Who can now deliver services, deliver and utilize your skills that you learn from Instagram, and you can apply them in different industries, different niches, therefore opening the doors for you with all these other industries and other companies, possibly if that's what you want to do, okay? So you will become a very, very powerful promoter, very important. Now, here's what you will learn in this course. In a nutshell, this is a complete Instagram mastery training from A to Z. No stone is left unturned. Everything is covered literally from A to Z. You will be learning directly from somebody who is a mega influencer on Instagram right now, Tim Carsleeve. He has a reach through his network of over 150 million people right now at the time I'm shooting this video, and that number is rapidly growing every single day, okay? He does not buy followers, he does not buy engagement, he does not buy comments, he does not buy any of that garbage that everybody else seems to be peddling out there in the industry. He is building his networks organically, legitimately, and he's going to teach you exactly how it's done the right way, so you don't have to you don't have to do it the wrong way, right? Spare yourself time and frustration and money, frankly. This course consists of 10 powerful modules. Each module comes with its own question and answer section. You will absolutely love it. It's tailored and it's presented from an angle of a complete beginner, right? So if a complete beginner can go through this and can understand and can follow and can utilize these strategies and get results, anybody can. Okay, you will absolutely love it. Here's a preview of what each module is about. Okay, in module number one, we start from the very, very ground zero. Okay, and we're starting literally with setup and getting started. Topics covered in module one are set up an account, right? So how do you set up an account? What you need to be thinking about setting up an account? The bio power, all right? Instagram security, very, very important. Different types of accounts, you need to know that. We go then to module number two. Instagram layout. Okay, what is the content? What kind of content? What are the strategies for the content? Right pictures for the account. Tools for design. How do you make your design look really, really cool? What you need to be knowing, and what kind of strategies you need to implement for account design, right? To make yourself stand out. We're talking about Insta videos, everything and more. All of this and more is actually covered in Module 2. Module 3, this is where we start digging into the growth strategies. Okay, so free growth strategies are covered in module number 3, and we're talking about stuff like posting strategies. Okay, strategies for power hashtags and time zones, getting to know your audience, Insta bombs, which is really, really cool, cross promotions, growth groups, account cleanup, the follow unfollow strategy. All of these are free growth strategies that you can start implementing right away, even if you don't have big marketing dollars. Okay, we go to module 4, and it's about pay to play, right? So you will be learning all about influencer growth. You will be learning about paid shout outs. You'll be learning about this thing called KIK, right? You'll get to know what that is when you actually go through the course. The Telegram and much more is covered in module number 4. And so if you want to rapidly grow your account, you may want to utilize some of these strategies covered in module number 4 that will give you a tremendous boost in growing your account. Module number 5 is all about analytics. Okay, so in this module, we're covering specific tools, technologies, and resources used to track and analyze engagement, growth, expansion, and much more. I cannot go into the too many details and actually start revealing those resources in this video for obvious reasons, right? But you do get access to and you get introduced to all of these technologies and tools and everything that the mega influencer Tim Carsliev himself is using, right, to make his account stand out, to make his account go viral with his posts, and you get all those secrets in this module. Module number 6, we're talking about business promotions. Okay, this is where we cover stuff like link in bio strategy. How do you do that right? There is a right way and a wrong way to do that. And if you don't know, a lot of people are doing it in the wrong way. Okay, Instagram lead magnets. All right, very, very cool. The power of DM, the power of Insta stories. Okay, now check this out. A landing page plus influencers equals big email list and sales. Okay, all these are covered in module number 6. You will absolutely love this module. We'll go then to module number 7. Check this out. We're talking about Instagram ads. Okay, so this is where things get really, really, really passionate, when we're talking about Instagram. So we're talking elements of an effective ad. Again, most people are doing it the rookie way. They don't understand the constructiveness of an effective ad, right? How do you put together an effective ad? What about your customer? Who are you talking to? How do you identify your customer so that the engagement is going through the roof for you, right? The ad message, the pictures and videos design, all that and more is covered in module number 7. Next, we go to module 8, and this is where we're talking about influencers. Okay, this is the next level stuff. Okay, who are the influencers, the different types of influencers? How do you contact influencers? And you know what, this is as deep as I can go in this video, or as much as I can reveal in this particular video. All the details are covered in the actual course. Okay, module 8, all about influencers. Now check this out. We go to module 9, and this is again next level stuff. This is where we start digging into the networking. Okay, how do you really expand your reach? How do you take your business through the to the stratosphere, if you will, right? The power of networking, business networking, specific do's and don'ts for networking, and much, much more. All the secret stuff is being covered in this module. Anything and everything regarding networking. Okay, now we take it a step further, and we were actually contemplating whether we should put this out or not, but Tim said, you know what, Vic, let's do this. I'm going to talk about advanced strategies and hacks, and these are covered in the 10th module. These are extremely advanced and strategic methods used by top most influential figures on Instagram to multiply their following, grow their account, engagement, and results. Okay, the details, not even the hints, okay? Even the little things, even if I wanted to give you some hints about what is covered, I actually cannot do that in this video here for obvious reasons, but this is something that you will learn about in module 10 of the course. okay, in the actual course. But I'll tell you, this stuff is so powerful, it's almost NDA content. You will absolutely love it, okay? So this is in a nutshell what you're getting here. You can go ahead and activate your course by hitting the button on the right of this video. You can enroll in this course. You will absolutely love it, my friend. And with that said, look, I look forward to seeing you inside Insta Traffic Mastery with Tim Carsleeve. You're gonna love it.